Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. A customer network engineer has made configuration changes that have resulted in some loss of connectivity. You have been called in to evaluate a switch network and suggest resolutions to the problems. PC2 in VLAN 200 is unable to ping the gateway address 172.16.200. 1. Identify the issue. Option A. VTP domain name mismatch on SW4. Option B. VLAN 200 not configured on SW1. Option C. VLAN 200 not configured on SW2. Option D. VLAN 200 not configured on SW4. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. VLAN 200 not configured on SW4. Question 2. A customer network engineer has made configuration changes that have resulted in some loss of connectivity. You have been called in to evaluate a switch network and suggest resolutions to the problems. Which of statement is true regarding STP issue identified with switches in the given topology? Option A. LoopGuard configured on the new switch places the ports in loop inconsistent state. Option B. RootGuard configured on SW1 places the ports in root inconsistent state. Option C. BPDoGuard configured on the new switch places the access ports in error disable. Option D. RootGuard configured on SW2 places the ports in root inconsistent state. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. LoopGuard configured on the new switch places the ports in loop inconsistent state. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.